In order to expedite the introduction of new models, we have revised our lineup of future vehicles. As a result, the projected start of production has been moved from the second half of 2025 to early 2025, or possibly even later this year. These new cars will combine features from our current platforms with elements of the next generation platform, including models that are more reasonably priced. The same production lines used for our current vehicle portfolio will be used to create them. The market has continuously conjectured that competition will erode Tesla's growth, share, and profit margins. In spite of this, no rival has been able to match Tesla's productivity, efficacy, and efficiency in regards to drivetrain, engine, chipsets, and batteries. Due in large part to its ongoing innovation, Tesla has been able to hold onto its market share despite its first-mover advantage. Despite skeptics' reservations, Tesla continues to be a top option for buyers looking to buy an electric vehicle. Due to a dynamic market and ever-advancing technology, Tesla has seen swings in its success. After CEO Elon Musk revealed intentions to start producing new, reasonably priced EV models by early 2025, Tesla shares recently increased by 12%. Kevin O'Leary discusses prospective finance plans and privatization techniques, emphasizing how daring and strategic Musk's actions are. The implementation of these tactics is accompanied by wider economic obstacles, including as disruptions in the supply chain, inflationary pressures, and geopolitical uncertainty, which exacerbate the complexity of Tesla's operational landscape. As we investigate the elements influencing Tesla's future, stay tuned. Please remember to use the like and subscribe buttons before we get started. Greetings from Tesla Stock News. Now, let's get going. Now let's turn our attention to the electric vehicle sector, where Tesla remains a key player in determining its direction. Tesla, which is renowned for its quality and innovation, establishes high standards that advance the sector. But there are many obstacles in the way of the industry's and Tesla's widespread adoption of EVs. The well-known Canadian businessman and Shark Tank host, Kevin O'Leary, points out that one major barrier is the infrastructure required to support electric vehicles, EVs, particularly charging stations. Long-distance driving is still difficult because of the sparsely spaced charging stations on roads and in rural areas, even if charging facilities are becoming more prevalent in metropolitan areas. This lack of infrastructure affects how consumers view the viability of purchasing and using an EV for all kinds of transportation. The rate at which electric vehicles are being adopted has not kept up with earlier projections. When people realize how difficult it will be to incorporate these vehicles into their daily lives, the euphoria surrounding new EV technology has subsided. Difficulties include greater initial prices and charging periods relative to traditional car refueling schedules, which slow down adoption rates. The possible privatization of Tesla is one of the most talked about moves. According to Kevin, if this shift comes to pass, it might be revolutionary in that it will provide Tesla greater latitude to innovate free from the constraints of volatile markets and quarterly financial reports. Taking advantage of Tesla's recent stock performance, the company is up about 40% from its previous lows, is a crucial part of Musk's approach. This offers Musk a window of opportunity, most likely involving financing through the high stock price, as opposed to heavily depending on debt. As a strategic turn that takes advantage of market momentum, this approach lowers Tesla's financial risk and debt load. Talks with present shareholders who are institutional investors may be part of Musk's strategy. Musk might be able to obtain the funding required and guarantee that important stakeholders continue to be involved and supportive of Tesla's long-term goals by possibly including their current shares into the privatization agreement. This could lessen the need for significant outside funding, facilitating privatization while preserving investment and ownership stability. Macroeconomic issues are impacting the operations and strategy of industries worldwide. Like many others, Tesla is confronted with formidable obstacles like inflationary pressures and supply chain interruptions. These difficulties have an effect on consumer prices, cost structures, and manufacturing schedules. To reduce risk, Tesla has diversified its supplier base and built up its inventory of essential parts in order to meet these hurdles. Because Tesla is still firmly committed to innovation. The business keeps spending money on R&D to advance battery technology and boost system effectiveness, making sure that its goods maintain their competitiveness in the face of wider economic challenges. However, Tesla's adventure is far from over. Investors remain interested as new and exciting events with ups and downs occur every day. Who else do you know who is as optimistic as Tesla? That would be Seeking Alpha, today's sponsor. Seeking Alpha is the one-stop shop for anybody interested in Tesla's remarkable success, including the most recent information on Elon Musk, innovation, and the company's stock price targets. The greatest place to find Tesla news online is Seeking Alpha, so avoid the mainstream media's anti-Tesla propaganda. Our channel might receive a commission if you click on the affiliate links in the description and make a purchase. I appreciate your help. Tesla's Cybertruck is a remarkable example of the car industry's creativity and audacious design. The Cybertruck was unveiled to great fanfare. Its angular, futuristic design stands in stark contrast to conventional pickup trucks and represents Tesla's effort to challenge established automotive norms. Its armored glass windows and stainless steel exoskeleton set new benchmarks for vehicle performance and durability, in addition to being aesthetically pleasing features. The Cybertruck has attracted a lot of attention and pre-orders since its release, indicating a high level of consumer curiosity and market interest. This excitement underscores the Cybertruck's potential to break into the profitable pickup truck industry, which has historically been dominated by gas-powered automobiles. Tesla's announcement of an all-electric truck is consistent with their overarching plan to quicken the shift to renewable energy sources. Beyond merely being an eye-catching feature, the Cybertruck's daring design embodies Tesla's reworking of car construction. The truck's design offers advantages like excellent cargo capacity, towing capability, and off-road performance, maximizing both visual impact and functional capabilities. With these attributes, it should become a competitive choice for owners of traditional trucks, as well as those looking for a vehicle that is both environmentally friendly and adaptable. Elon Musk has shown doubts on the efficacy of remote work in promoting teamwork and preserving productivity, especially in high-innovation sectors like engineering and technology. He compared the idea of working from home to the famous remark from Marie Antoinette, "Let them eat cake," contending that it is unethical to work from home when there are those who do not and who contribute to the production of necessities. This position starts a larger discussion on how remote employment affects employee dynamics and company culture. Conventional workplace conventions are put to the test by remote employment, which also raises questions regarding discrepancies between on-site and remote workers and team cohesiveness. This change may lead to splits in the workforce, with different employee groups experiencing differing effects on engagement and career advancement. Organizations must reevaluate their communication and collaboration tactics in light of the social ramifications of remote work in order to strike a balance between flexibility and the requirement for in-person engagement. Businesses that experiment with hybrid models, such as Tesla, seek to balance the advantages of remote work with the collaborative nature of traditional environments, managing this combination to promote a robust and diverse workplace culture. Broader market trends show that innovative and sustainable technologies are becoming more and more popular, with Tesla at the forefront of this movement. This puts the business in a strong position to grow as customer preferences and international policies favor electric vehicles and renewable energy sources more and more. With the EV industry predicted to grow dramatically in the upcoming years, Tesla offers investors an attractive entry point into the market for those hoping to profit from these trends. Furthermore, aside from its primary vehicle manufacturing, Tesla's forays into battery technology, solar energy solutions, and autonomous driving software present a variety of investment prospects. Look out any potential dangers: the competitiveness,